If your hair feels dry, snaps easily, and never seems to grow, this is breakage, not hair fall. And the reason most routines don't work is because they don't fix the actual cause. Breakage happens when your hair becomes weak along the length from dryness, friction, or damage. The first step is restoring moisture. Use a light oil or a hydrating mask before washing, just enough to soften your hair, not not weigh it down completely. Now, most breakage happens during detangling. Always start from the ends by using a wide tooth comb and never pull through the knots. Be gentle as your ends are weaker. This will lead to breakage and get weaker over time. Your ends are the weakest part of your hair. Use a small amount of serum or a leave-in and keep your ends protected, especially at night. I am using few drops of the Bringraj oil as I don't have a serum. Bringraj is also a very lightweight oil for my hair. Tight hairstyles create constant stress on your hair. Switch to loose braids or low styles and avoid pulling your hair too tight. I know a tight pony looks the best when you're out and about, but when you have breakage type of hair fall, the best way is to go in for a loose braid or a loose pony than a tight one shown previously to this. Don't forget, the purpose here is to save your hair from breakage and not make it worse. Another important thing to remember is friction from pillowcases, towels, or rough handling can slowly damage your hair. Be gentle when drying your hair and avoid rubbing your hair aggressively. I prefer using the microfiber towel by just placing it over my hair and keeping it for some time, and then lightly holding my hair with the towel and drying it. I try to avoid rubbing my head aggressively, which is the worst thing that you can do. Avoid rubbing your hair aggressively like this. I know most of us feel our hair is dry only when we rub our hair like this. Even if even if you're rubbing your hair with a microfiber towel aggressively, it will still lead to breakage. Instead, just take the towel and pat dry your hair. That is the best for breakage. Sometimes the damage is already done. Trimming split or weak ends helps prevent further breakage and makes your hair look healthier instantly. Fixing breakage isn't about using more products. It's about handling your hair the right way consistently. Once you reduce breakage, you'll finally start seeing real length and real results.